Subscribe to my channel.
Okay guys, welcome to this quick lesson on understanding CSS importing. All right, CSS importing, basically I'll just give you a quick overview. All right, I'll give you a quick overview on understanding CSS importing. Whenever we talk about CSS importing, all right, in this lesson, before I break it down, please guys, subscribe. All right, subscribe to the YouTube channel, please. Subscribe, please guys, subscribe. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it quickly. So when we are talking about importing, we are talking in general about a rule in CSS. All right, there's a rules in CSS. Now the importing rule in CSS, it give more importance to a property or a value than the normal importance that it should have within the style sheet. Now we're saying, even as that, we say importing can override other or previous starting that have been into your style sheet. Now in the lesson, we're going to be doing our example on it. How can we apply importance as well? Okay, so we're going to do this real quick. All right, so I will just create in our head section here and say start. Good. We'll comment area saying internal starting. All right, comment it out here. Now we come down here, we want to work with our HTML. all right, so for our HTML, we'll have several things. All right, we'll have a Peter here with the class name, only saying my class. All right, and then in the Peter, we want to say this is the same text all around. Now we're going to copy this line, come down, paste it 3 times, and then we're going to give this an ID. This will be an ID. This will be an ID, and for this it will have no class at all. Good. Now we want to see how importings work. All right, so I'll open this into the browser quickly. Good. After opening into the browser, we're seeing all the text here, they are the same. And then when I come here into the style, now we want to see the magic happens. All right, now in the style, I want to find where we have our ID saying my class, and we want to give a background color. Right, so the background color we're going to give will be blue. Cool, we save blue. Now we come down to the next area, we say my class again, which is the class. Now we say background color should be, the background color should be gray. I say orange. We save it. Now if I come to our browser here, if I come over to our browser, open it up, when I refresh it, now you're seeing here, all right, this one is orange, this one is blue. Now I want to move down. What? Continue. Good. Now we want to come to the next thing, which is P down here. All right, for this P down here, we want to give it a background color too. The background color of this should be red. We save it. Now after using red on this, when we get back to our browser, we refresh it. Now we are seeing it here. All right, or we can use this. The background color here is red. All right, now let's change this to something like green. Cool. I want us to have a curve colors with, okay, huge difference. Good. Now we want to apply the important rule. Okay, we want to apply the important rule. Now where we have background color blue, all right, where we have background color blue, where we have background color green, we have background color red. All right, now if we come to blue and then add important to it and save it, All right, we head over to our browser once more. We'll refresh it. After saving this, we'll refresh it. We find out that nothing happened. All right, because the class name is not attached to all of the element. All right, but we have the class name being attached. We have the paragraph, the p tag being attached to all of the element. All right, now I don't want anyone making the mistake and saying that I tried it didn't work. All right, now let's come to where we have p, which is red, and then we paste our importing rule to it. Now when we refresh this, like I did here, right? Now this is our p and we have red to it. When we come here, we refresh our browser, boom, the magic happened. All right, the magic happened. Now we are seeing that the importing rule have override everything. It have override everything. Now even we change the red background color here to something like orange and save it, it will change all over. We change it to yellow, it will still change all over. Okay, we change it to brown, save it, it will still change. Okay, we change it to purple, it will still change as well. Okay, now sorry, after changing it to purple, something happened here. Good, it was not set to importing. Now we refresh it, all over is purple. Okay, so guys, this is one of the powerful rule that CSS have. Okay, whenever you are using CSS, at times you will use multiple colors, and after using the color, you want certain color to override the entire thing. Probably have a very big or a very large CSS sheet and star sheet, and you don't know how to do that. You can just apply the importing rule, and trust me, you will be good to go. So guys, thank you very much for staying around. Okay, thank you very much for staying around. I see you guys in our next video. Please subscribe, please subscribe, guys.
Subscribe to my channel.